Hello, I'd like to share the highlights of my Capstone project. This project began in the school year 2021-2022 as the first year of a 3-year project. My name is Dwanese Dunn, and I'm a K-5 elementary STEM teacher. I'm also a candidate for the Educational Specialist in Instructional Technology. The project, establishing a K-5 instructional technology teacher resource and toolkit, arose from a problem presented to us when our school first considered applying for state STEM certification. On our district readiness list, one recommendation was to increase our technology implementation across the school. We began by surveying our teachers and found out that students using technology only used it about 3 times a week in their home classes and also in STEM class with me, yet it was inconsistent across the school. Teachers had said that they would use technology with students if they had more training and more time. As a school seeking state STEM certification, we considered increasing student productivity with digital tools a priority. Our goal for this capstone project was to develop a common digital K-5 instructional technology teacher resource and toolkit to support our classroom teachers in implementing technology more consistently. The capstone project plan included developing a STEM technology team, which met monthly to discuss our project plans and goals, discussing a team purpose statement, devising a strategic plan to address the problem of increasing technology more consistently across the school, creating a technology shared vision together with other stakeholders, school-wide professional development courses on technology implementation, including diversity and higher order thinking skills, developing teacher surveys of digital tools that were currently used, and evaluating and choosing digital tools monthly that we could add to our resources and toolkit, creating and developing our digital platform for the K-5 teachers to use of the technology resources, the trainings that were online, and have access to student samples by grade level to create a continuum. Modeling, coaching, and co-teaching technology infused lessons, and having mid-year and end-of-year teacher surveys, grade level check-ins, and evaluations to monitor and measure our progress towards our goals. The project objectives were: by the end of semester 1, 80% of the classroom teachers in our school will have attended a professional development training at least once on enhancing their understanding of the purpose for implementing technology into their curriculum. By the end of semester 2, 85% of the classroom teachers at our school will have referred to the school-wide K-5 instructional technology teacher resource and toolkit at least once per quarter to improve technology integration into their curriculum. 75% of the classroom teachers at our school will have strengthened their skills in implementing technology into their curriculum by the end of semester 2. As a result of professional development and the establishment of a school-wide K-5 instructional technology teacher resource and toolkit, 70% of the classroom teachers at our school will have increased the frequency of implementing technology into their curriculum by the end of semester 4, which is the end of year 2. The evaluation plan for this project included administrative review of digital lesson plans, administrative count of observations in which there were technology-infused lessons, evaluation of professional development, coaching, and co-teaching by teacher survey, teacher self-assessments prior to the project, at the midpoint, and at the end of the project, looking at percentage of teachers who see the resources beneficial, the percentage of teachers who increase their frequency of technology implementation, the percentage of teachers whose level of technology implementation increased, and the percentage of teachers who felt their comfort level with technology improve. Also to be evaluated by the project evaluation of the whole and reflection by the project director. These evaluations would allow us to determine which technology implementation goals are already being met and which ones will need to be addressed further. According to recent research, creation of a common digital resource tool was a way to contribute to the training of teachers concerning technology, study what improvements needed to be made, and provide some hands-on support in the digital technology world. Another study found that there was a direct correlation between teachers' level of adoption and use of technology with their attitude towards technology. There was also an increase in the use of digital tools when there was a common resource tool and professional development on how to use the tool. Through the project, we sought to address both issues by curating resources for our teachers to access, learn about, be trained in, and experience to enhance their digital instruction and attitudes towards technology, thereby developing similar digital competencies in our own students. Here are the results of the Capstone experience. Some barriers to the Capstone project were scheduling issues with use of the computer lab, substitute shortage when planning for coaching, modeling, and co-teaching, shortage of available technology and devices for students, and teacher resistance to change. What we accomplished was 90% of teachers attending a technology in education professional development course. 85% of the teachers access the digital toolkit at least once per quarter. 80% of teachers surveyed said that they had strengthened their technology implementation skills during this project. As a result of our increase in technology implementation and student productivity using technology skills, we felt prepared to apply for state STEM certification. In the third quarter, we officially applied, were reviewed for, and were recognized as the first state certified STEM school in our district. As we continue on our STEM journey, we will follow up on this project with these steps. The K-5 Instructional Technology Teacher Toolkit and Resource will be revised each year based on teacher review, deleting tools no longer used, and adding emerging technology. Expectations for digital tools used by each grade level may change each year in the continuum. We're planning also to require student work to be provided as evidence of technology implementation, and we will continue providing professional development, coaching, co-teaching, and courses for instructional technology guided by teacher needs and their requests. During this capstone experience, I learned to garner the voices of many stakeholders and create our school's first STEM technology team, which devised our school's first technology shared vision. I effectively promoted strategies to help achieve equitable access to digital tools for our diverse population and work with students and teachers to enhance ways of sharing their project-based learning and showcasing their authentic learning with digital tools. I improved my skills in modeling the use of digital tools and resources with teaching, co-teaching, modeling, and professional development courses. And my knowledge of content and technology standards for students also improved. I improved my application of change in adult learning theory as well. All of the images in this presentation are from the Creative Commons files and are used under the fair use policy. References are listed. Thank you.